Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious and nutritious spinach fritters. It is so easy to make and delicious to eat. Crunchy from the outside, soft and delicious from inside. So let's go ahead and start making these wonderful fritters. I'm sure you will love them. So in my bowl I have about 3 cups of chopped spinach. To this I will add 1 medium size onion which I've chopped finely, some cumin seeds, three-fourths of a spoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, we'll use about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, some salt, one cup chickpea flour, mix it first. Add a little bit water, add water little by little. Some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, start making the fritters. So here you go, my fritters are now ready. Look how delicious they look. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share the recipe and leave a comment. Also don't forget to like the recipe and press the bell icon so that you get notification about my next recipe I will be posting on my channel. Do subscribe to my channel and you will see lovely recipes like these. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.